Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Vectron model 2312625 8.09 megahertz crystal oscillator. When I searched its datasheet, I could not find anything, but when I traced the circuit, then I was only able to test it. Let's see how I tested it. It is a TTL power supply based module. It will provide direct frequency at output pin. I will apply 5 volt power supply. When we hold in this way, this pin is ground pin. This pin is positive supply pin. I will connect oscilloscope pair, ground, and this is output pin. This pin is not connected. 8.0914 megahertz. You can see its signal is smooth. So in this way we can test the function of this crystal oscillator. Thanks for watching.